What's happening, everybody? We got another hard reset for you today. Today we're going to do the Nothing Phone 3A. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Also, guys, just remember when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted, so keep that in mind. Really big fan of how they do these phones. I think the Nothing brand makes a quality product. Pretty cool. Lastly, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, you have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, so any support would definitely be appreciated. But let's jump right into here. First thing we want to do is make sure that the phone is off, and it is. And you have your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. And what we want to do is we want to hold volume down and power at the same time. So I'm going to start holding volume down. I'm going to hit power. And when the phone turns on, you should see it just almost instantly goes into the bootloader option. From here, you want to use the volume buttons to navigate, and then the power button to select, and we want to go to recovery mode. Hit the power button. Can take a second to load, so just give it a minute. There you go. You get the no command screen. And to get out of this, what you want to do is you want to hold the power button and then tap volume up and then let go of both buttons relatively quickly. Then use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select, and you want to scroll down to, oh, I already passed it, wipe data factory reset. So it's right there, hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button again. So now it's rebooting, now it's done, and it should load right back to the home screen. And from there you can navigate the phone back. It should say get you to the welcome screen. From there you can navigate to the home screen and set it up like it was when it was new. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Nothing Phone 3A. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment, like, share, all that wonderful stuff. And thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.